Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sanjida and this video is about the characters in John Milton's dramatic poem Samson Agonistes. Okay, now let's start the discussion part. There are four main characters in this dramatic poem. The first one is Samson. Samson is the protagonist of this dramatic poem. The second one is Delilah. She is Samson's wife. The third one is Manoah. Manoah is Samson's father. And the fourth one is Chorus. There are three minor characters as well. The first one is Messenger. The second one is Harpa. And the third one is Soldier. Okay. Now let's know more about the characters in detail. At first, let's know about the main character or the protagonist of this dramatic poem, who is Samson. He is a biblical character adapted by John Milton. The story focuses on the last part of Samson's life where he is blind and captured. He was once a mighty warrior who fought against the Philistines for his people of Israel. He was given extraordinary strength from God. His hair growth was the secret of his power, but he told his wife Delilah about this secret, and after knowing that, Delilah betrayed him. His hair was cut and he lost all his power. Later, he was captured by the army of Philistine and was made blind. But later he took revenge on them by pulling off the pillars of the building where the people of Philistine were having feast, and he died there as well. The next character is Manoah. You know that he is Samson's father. He is a typical father who loves his son despite his faults, yet loyal to God. In this story, he tries to save Samson by giving ransom to the officers of Philistine, but Samson told Manoah to let him suffer in the jail. Later, he praised his son's self-sacrifice when he found out how Samson killed the Philistine people to get revenge. The next character is Delilah. You know that she is Samson's wife. She is a cunning and greedy woman. She pampered Samson to tell the secret of his power and betrayed him. She is actually from Philistine in the story. This is why she supported the Philistine people and betrayed Samson. The last main character on the list is Chorus. Chorus are a standard part in Greek tragedies, which is adapted by John Milton in this dramatic poem. They appear with the purpose of offering advice and help the characters. In this dramatic poem, they did lament for Samson's condition in jail. They have talked to him in this story, listened to him, advised him, and criticized him as well. Okay. Now let's know about the minor characters. The first one on the list is Harpa. He is a giant who comes to insult Samson while he was in prison. Samson offered for a fight to Harpa, but Harpa refuses to fight with Samson because he thinks it will bring him no honor fighting someone who is weak and without real power. The next minor character is the soldier. He comes to take Samson twice to the public celebration of the Philistines. The last minor character on the list is Messenger. He describes to Manoah how Samson killed the people of Philistine. He helps the readers to know about the most important part of the story, which is Samson's self-sacrifice. So the discussion part ends here. Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have found this video informative. I will take my leave now. Allah Hafiz. God bless.